Lavindula, and today we present you a panel discussion for this activity. I will act as a instructor, and as instructor, it is my rule to plan and organize all event to make a panel session a success. And part of the task is to assign a specific rule for each member. The role of moderator is to keep the discussion on the team and encourages interaction among the members. And the panelists give their views and about the topic or theme. And lastly, an audience can give their views or question to seek clarification on the theme. Let us now proceed to our panel discussion. May I call on our moderator, Miss Laporte.
Hi, I am Cristalisa Lorraine Pilaborte, and I am your moderator for our panel discussion. Now we will have a thoughtful conversation regarding teenage pregnancy, including our thoughts, ideas, and knowledge. According to our regulations, one panelist will have a maximum time of 3 minutes to present his thoughts on the topic. I formally introduce to you the one panelist. We have Mr. Kataga, and the rest of our members will be the audience. Now let us welcome our one panelist, Mr. Kataga, to share his thoughts about teenage pregnancy.
Students are unaware of the risk of becoming teenage parents because they drop out of school just to take care and give birth and raise their children. Did you know that in adolescent fertility rate birth per 10,000 women aged to 15 to 19 in 2020 during the pandemic, the Philippines is the second highest next to the Laos with a rate of 54 and 75, some of the highest cases. 10 pregnancy is the Southern Asia and countries are lack of the parental supervision of performance in school. Curiosity of the experimental sexual violence or abuse victims in another pregnancy among teenage is under. I said it has an impact on everyone. Teenage mothers. Children are more likely to have lower academic success. Birth, preterm birth is more common in data. Teenage pregnancy can result in a variety of change, including social issues, personal issues, and decision making.
Well, excellent, Mr. Kataga gave her insight about teenage pregnancy, and he also mentioned the number of underage Filipino women that were involved in this matter. So now, let us hear the second thoughts of Mr.
In the
Kataga.
Philippines, teenage pregnancy gets more problematic of each year. The government labeled in the National Social Emergency way back 2019. However, the issue has now worse amidst to the foreign virus pandemic earlier. Child, childbearing or teenage pregnancies may result in a poor health outcomes and may be a threat to a country economic growth. Pregnant adults are less likely to complete higher education and have lesser ability to earn more income over the courses of a lifetime, causing losses to countries. So how can we prevent or lessen their cases? Perhaps educating this youth about sexual reproductive health even in non-education settings, and normalizing respectful dialogue and topics and excellent example were providing right based on measure to help pregnant girls and young mothers to continue their education and create vocational training or opportunities.
What a fantastic idea and perspective, Mr. Kataga, on how to prevent and lessen teenage pregnancy. Now, it is time to take questions from the audience. So, our first question is from Miss Enricoso.
Thank you, Mr. Borte. So my question is, how does the ratio of teenage pregnancy affect the mindset of other teenage girls?
Thank you for that wonderful question, Ms. Enricosa. Suddenly, other terms didn't take any global problems seriously due to the fact of them even post on social media platforms like it's normal for them to have a baby such as young age and making this trend even though it's not.
Thank you. Our last question is from Nice Japan.
Thank you, Ms. Laporte. My question is, do you think it is acceptable to have an abortion or adoption if he doesn't want to have the baby?
Well, my answer to that question is no and yes. No, if I think it is acceptable for a pregnant teenager to have an abortion, even if she doesn't want the child because our culture doesn't allow abortion and have them it is illegal. If it means legal, my answer would be yes. Yes, if I think it is acceptable for a pregnant teenager to have adoption because it is more acceptable than abortion and because even though the baby is wanted, it is still right to have happily life and
What an exciting exchange of views. I really hope that our viewers were able to get some great ideas about the topic for this count. Thank you for listening. We really do appreciate your interest in this very important issue. Have a good day, everyone.